Hi, Nicole here. The past couple of nights I've actually been doing some light painting with my 7-year-old, and I thought I would share some of my tips just in case you're interested in doing this with your children this summer as well. So the first thing I do is I collect all my items that I'm going to need in a little box, because once you head outside and it's dark, you're gonna be misplacing everything. So it's good to have everything in one location. Put your phone in here, the sparklers, the lighter, you might need a flashlight, I'll speak to that, and something to discard once they're burned out, you can throw them in there. So you're also going to need a tripod, and these are the settings for your camera. You're gonna do ISO 100, f22, and then start your shutter at 1 second. You're dragging the shutter. You're keeping the shutter open for a longer period of time in order to catch all those fun swirls of the sparkler. Every time you take a shot, make it a little bit longer. And you'll see if you're trying to write a word or make a cool shape or design, maybe go to 2, go to 3, and just incrementally go up and you see the different art that you create. Once you're ready to start, you're going to have your subject stand in front of you. Use your flashlight or the light on your iPhone to focus on them, because it's going to be dark, so your camera won't be able to focus. So you need to light them so you can focus. Once you focus on them, on the lens itself, this is a 24-70, but you could use a 100, a 35. You're going to flip the lens to manual mode. So then the lens isn't fighting while it's taking the picture to find the focus. Click that off and you're ready to go. Light the sparklers, hit the shutter, and have some fun. Let me know if you have any questions.